Now we talk about long run cost. The behavior of long run cost depends upon the firm's production function. Okay, the production function means the relationship between the maximum output attainable and the quantities of both capital and labor. For a definition, the long run average cost curve means it shows the relationship between the lowest attainable average total cost and output when both the plant and labor are varied. So long run average cost curve is a planning curve that tells the firm that plans that maximizes the cost of producing a given output. Because of in the long run there will be no fixed input, so there will be no fixed cost. In the long run cost, we will focus to average cost. So how we get average cost for long run? The long run average cost curve is made up from the lowest average total cost for each output level. Okay, so we need to decide which plant has the lowest cost for producing each output level. In long run cost, we will learn the concept of diminishing marginal product of capital. It means the increase in output resulting from a 1 unit increase in the amount of capital employed, holding constant the amount of labor employed. Okay, so its function exhibits two factors: the diminishing marginal returns of labor, and the second one is diminishing marginal returns to capital. In this chapter, we also have been introduced by economies of scale and diseconomies of scale. So economies of scale means all the benefits and advantages of a firm as it becomes larger. That's economies of scale. These economies of scale meaning the problems and disadvantages faced by a firm as it become larger. Okay, so economies of scale is the positive effect. This economies of scale meaning the negative effect when the firm become larger. So we have several factors which lead to economies of scale. It will be internal factors like labor's economies, managerial economies, marketing economies, technical economies, financial economies, and many more. Okay, also we have external economies of scales like economies of government action, economies of concentration, economies of information, and also economies of marketing. Okay, and for these economies of scale, we also have internal factors and also external factors. For internal, these economies of scale, it may result from labor diseconomies, management problems, and also technical difficulties. Okay, for external diseconomy of scale, okay, when the firm become larger, they might have a problems like scarcity of raw materials, okay, wage differentials, and also concentration problems. Okay, that's all for this topic.